In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to create an electronic gradebook, the category and items for D2L Brightspace. First, you will navigate to the Grades page and click on the Setup Wizard from the menu. Choose your gradebook settings by completing each step and click Finish. At this point, you are now ready to create grade items and categories. Click on Create a New Grade Category from your grade options. Give your category a name. I chose to name mine Discussions. After that, you will choose how your grading will be distributed and displayed by scrolling down the page and making your choices. After you do that, click on Save and Close. This will bring you back to your grade options under your Setup Wizard. You are now going to click on Create a New Grade Item. Choose the grade item type. You have several to choose from, including numeric, select box, pass-fail, formula, calculated, and text. I chose numeric. Give your new grade item a name. I chose to name mine Week 1 Discussion. You will also choose your category. I put mine under Discussions since it was a Week 1 discussion. Complete any other specifics such as grading, display, and rubric on the page. Once you are finished, click Save and Close. This concludes the how-to tutorial for D2L Brightspace LMS. Thank you so much for joining me and have a wonderful day.